Last time we solved for I1 of S. Now let us solve for I2 of S. So I2 of S using Cramer's rule. I2 of S is the determinant 3S plus 10, negative 10, negative 10, 4S plus 10. Then the numerator 3 over S plus 10, negative 10. For the second column, we have 4 over S plus 2 times 2 over S plus 1. Now, the determinant is this expression. So we copy. So that is the denominator. Then we have, okay, we have 3 over S plus 10 times 2 over S plus 1 minus negative 10, 4 over S plus 2. So I2 of S is equal to this, the denominator. Last time we solved for the denominator, which is equal to, let us copy. Okay. Okay. And for the numerator, let's try to simplify the numerator. So 3S plus 10 times 2S, okay, 2S plus 1. This is equal to 6 over, or we can say, or we can write. So we can write 3S plus 10S. This one is 3 plus 10S over S times 2S plus 1. Or, so we have 2 times 3 plus 10S over S. S plus 1 minus minus of plus 10 times 4, 40 S plus 2. Therefore, I2 of S is equal to, let us take the common denominator, S plus 1 times S plus 2, 3 plus 10S times S plus 2. Plus, okay, plus 40 times 40S S plus 1 over 12 plus 40S plus 30 over S. Therefore, I2 of S is equal to 12 plus 40S plus 30 over S multiplied by S plus 1, S plus 2. Okay, now let us simplify the numerator. So this one will be, okay, 3 plus 10S, S plus 2, 3S plus 10S2 plus 6 plus 20S. So we have 23S plus 10S2 plus 6. Okay, let us write, copy 2, let us write 10S2 plus 23S plus 36 plus 40S2 plus 40S. Therefore, I2 of S is equal to So let us try to simplify the denominator. So we distribute this s to cancel the 1 over s in this term. 12s plus 40s2 plus 30 times s plus 1 s plus 2. Okay, simplify. 20s2 plus 46s plus 12 plus 40s2 plus 40s. Therefore, we have for is2 or I2s. We have for I2s, so 20s2, 40s2, 60, 60s2, 46, 46 plus 40, that is 86s, 12 and 12 plus 12. Right, let us write 40 s2 plus 12s plus, again plus 30 s plus 1 s plus 2. Now this expression can be simplified further by factoring out 2 from the numerator and denominator. So 60 divided 2 is 30s2 plus 43s plus 6 for the denominator, 20s2 plus 6s plus 15 s plus 1 s plus 2, and finally I2s is equal to 20s2 plus 6s plus 15 times s plus 1 s plus 2, this is 30s2 plus 43s plus 6. This is the value for our I2s. I2 of s. Okay, so this is the value for I2 of s.